Children, this is the continued video of the water cycle which we are doing in the previous video, but some technical problems, so I'm doing this another video, attached video with this water cycle. Okay, children, the changings of weather will bring sometimes it's several damage. Okay, and many germs can find their humidity and sudden changes of the temperatures and ideal conditions. Okay, and in fact, with the time when the germs and gets their humidity, that time many diseases like malaria, dengue and influenza will occurs between the that will that will uh, infect the peoples. Okay, and the flood of the street are hazard, and traffic it is very difficult for the traffics and to control the traffics, and the pedestrian like peoples who will walk, they have to face many problems. Okay, children, you can hear the thunder sound or thunder shower that may cause uprooted the trees and overhead cables to snaps. Okay, and that uprooted trees also become, sometimes it's become danger for the electric wires, and unprotected electrical pots and wires may cause electrocutions, means electric shock, which that will cause some deaths also. Okay, means electrocutions means shock, electric shock से किसी का like death होना. Okay, and children's being comfortable and dry in, we can feel being comfortable and dry indoors, but when it's raining outside, some peoples were enjoying to sing a monsoon raga, or some will play paper boats or a rain dance they can do, and some people will enjoying full of with a hot tea or a coffee with pakoras or samosas. Okay, and children's when the sky will be clear after heavy rainfalls, and that time we can see a beautiful rainbow in the sky also. Okay, and however, children's, there is so much of water during the rainy seasons. Actually, children's, we also required water, and it is also a good time to reflect. Okay, and we actually that time we are also having a shortage of water in many places, because before the rainy seasons, that time there will be a summer seasons. At that summer season, peoples will face a shortage of water, some sources will dry up. So children's, after when rain will be start, that time only that sources will again regain their water. So okay, so water is very very essential for our use, and for the not only for our use, but our rainfall or a monsoon season is required to for the farmers also, and for everybody. Okay, and when there will be a long period of shortage in some places, children, that time that is known as a drought or sukha parna, means when there will be a long period of shortage of water in a particular places, that is known as the drought. Okay, and that time when that drought will be happen, that time crops are destroyed, and animals were perished, means animals were some animals will die because they didn't get any waters and food. And during a severe drought, people many destroyed things will be happens. Okay, and children, so to stop this drought, nowadays people are using one method to save water, that is rainwater harvesting systems. Okay, rainwater harvesting system means, children, this is the picture of rainwater harvesting system. It is mostly done to store the water or to preserve the water. Okay, and during the monsoon seasons, when there will be a heavy rain, that rain will collect it in the pipes or in a monsoon rain will be collected in a one big tanks, or sometimes it is underground tanks, or some peoples will stored in a overhead, not in overheaded, but it's a plant like. Okay, this water will be stored, monsoon water will be stored in this type of big under land tanks. That water is used when it is required, and that is that can somehow it will fulfill the needs of a peoples when there will be a drought, or when we are peoples will face a shortage of waters. Okay, and children, that is why we are saying please save waters, because water is very precious, and it is a natural resources, though it is a natural resources, though it is a renewable resources, but for us drinking water is very precious. So always try to save the waters. Okay.